Climate change refers to significant, long-term changes in the Earth's climate patterns, particularly increases in temperature, changes in precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events. These changes are largely attributed to human activities, especially since the Industrial Revolution, which have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases, GHGs, like carbon dioxide, CO, methane, carbon tetrahydride, and nitrous oxide, NO, in the atmosphere. Causes of climate change: greenhouse gas emissions. Burning fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and natural gas, for energy and transportation releases large amounts of CO and other greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to a warming effect known as the greenhouse effect. Deforestation. Cutting down trees reduces the planet's capacity to absorb CO. Trees naturally take in CO during photosynthesis, so when forests are cleared, this carbon absorption is diminished, and the carbon stored in trees is released back into the atmosphere. Agriculture. Certain agricultural practices contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. For example, rice paddies produce methane, and livestock such as cows and sheep produce methane during digestion, enteric fermentation. Additionally, the use of synthetic fertilizers releases nitrous oxide, another potent greenhouse gas. Industrial processes. Manufacturing and industrial activities, including cement production and chemical manufacturing, release significant amounts of greenhouse gases. Waste management. Landfills produce methane as organic waste decomposes anaerobically, without oxygen. Poor waste management practices can exacerbate these emissions. Impacts of climate change on agriculture. Climate change has profound effects on agriculture, both directly and indirectly. Changes in temperature. Warmer temperatures can extend growing seasons in some regions but may also exceed optimal growing conditions for many crops, leading to reduced yields. Higher temperatures can increase crop water demand and evapotranspiration, stress crops, and reduce productivity. Altered precipitation patterns. Changes in rainfall patterns, including more intense rainfall events and prolonged droughts, can disrupt planting and harvesting schedules. This variability can also affect soil moisture levels, leading to either waterlogging or drought stress for crops. Increased frequency of extreme weather events. More frequent and severe weather events like hurricanes, floods, and heatwaves can damage crops, reduce yields, and lead to soil erosion and loss of arable land. Extreme temperatures can also harm livestock, reducing their productivity and increasing mortality rates. Pest and disease proliferation. Warmer temperatures can expand the range of pests and diseases, affecting crops and livestock. Changes in climate conditions can alter pest life cycles, increase their reproduction rates, and reduce the effectiveness of traditional pest control measures. Soil degradation. Climate change can exacerbate soil erosion, reduce soil fertility, and increase salinity in some regions, making it more difficult to grow crops. Extreme weather events can also wash away topsoil, which is vital for crop production. Water scarcity. Changes in precipitation and increased evaporation due to higher temperatures can lead to water shortages, impacting irrigation systems and reducing the availability of water for agriculture. This is particularly critical in regions already facing water stress. Impact on livestock. Livestock are affected by heat stress, which can reduce feed intake, growth rates, and milk production. Extreme weather events can also damage grazing lands and reduce the availability of feed, impacting the overall health and productivity of livestock. Conclusion. The impacts of climate change on agriculture are complex and region-specific, depending on a variety of factors, including the type of crops grown, local climate conditions, and adaptive capacity. Addressing these challenges requires a combination of mitigation strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adaptation measures to build resilience in agricultural systems.